Hello everyone, welcome to our videos today. I'm going to introduce the new products on my right hand. This is drink dispensers made by all stainless steels. And let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the unit's overall height, it is about like 19 inches. And as we can see, they have two stainless steel handlebars on side. And when we open the caps, for this pole diameters, it's about like 9 inches. And the depth about like 10 and 1/4 inches. So we do see in this one having the dispenser at the front. They have two operation functions. One is push one times, and when you switch it, you can see they can handling the push and making the tea or any drinks or waters coming through these faucets directly all the way. And these caps, it is using the plastics. But when we're looking at the behind of the units, we can find the ETL sanitation stickers on it, and they are using for the ST dispensers. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us.